Rocketmine's journey with the Bentley Twin and Microsoft's Hololens platform began over 2 years ago, when one of our large gold mining customers contacted us to investigate a method of how we could connect their engineers in London to their local technicians on site in Africa to perform complex repair and maintenance tasks. Since then, we've become one of Bentley's leading system integrators, combining the power of drones and laser scanning and building actual working digital twins for our customers in the mining industry. Using the power of Microsoft Hololens and its remote assist applications, we can make our Bentley Twin and PlantSight models more relevant and useful to those technicians on the ground. Bentley's PlantSight allows us to build a single source of truth, consolidating all engineering and IoT data into a three-dimensional geo-referenced model, giving first responders the full geospatial context of asset monitoring alarms which occur on site. Technicians who are dispatched can view in real time the necessary engineering diagrams, CMS and asset data while working hands-free. Issues can then be identified and recorded through the iTwin XR app and made available immediately through the PlantSight platform. Using Microsoft's Remote Assist app is as easy as a Teams call, dialing in fellow colleagues to help assist with complex procedures on site.
I think in the future, the most exciting technology that we've seen in a while is augmented reality. You can do all of the work that typically would have to be done on site. We're now doing it from the office, and Rocketmine, gives you that base. We out there capturing reality and, all of the analytics and really getting into digital twin creation, 3D modeling. So there's some really exciting stuff, and that's where Rocketmine fits in.
You are now able to get your data not just once or twice a month, but every single day. And that has changed the way in which mines now perceive and work, how they make their business decisions internally as well. Our customers want to focus on taking rocks out of the ground, and we just want to give them that picture accurately, safely, and quickly. And that is the value that Rocketmine brings to the mining industry and what we look to expand across the world.
We're excited to be part of the Bentley Channel Partner family and look forward to making the future available today.